so I have a quick update on my flowers, and I have a new bloom here. This is the Phalaenopsis um, schilleriana. Alright, so the very popular Phalaenopsis species from the Philippines. As you can see there, it's quite like beautiful, very delicate flowers. I had some few damage on the petals, but it still looks good. This is the first bloom on this one, so kind of understand if it's not perfect, since it's a first time bloomer. So so I this is just totally fine for me. I mean, I'm not complaining. Still a very beautiful Phalaenopsis flower, and definitely it's one of the easiest Phalaenopsis species that I have taken care of. Um, Basically, I just have to water it. I don't even fertilize this one, and it gave me a spike. Yeah, so I have so many spikes um, from um, from this plant. Well, oh, this is from a different plant here. Oh, this is the actual plant here, the Phalaenopsis schilleriana. As you know, it has a mottled leaf look. As you can see here, let's look closely. So definitely you could see there are mottled or splotches of white and green on the leaves of this Phalaenopsis species. Alright, and then of course this is the hybrid, the Phalaenopsis schilleriana, Phalaenopsis Jaho, pink girl. Right, it's quite popular, you know. And I could definitely see the resemblance with its parent, which is this one. So this is the mom, right? A parent of the parent species. Let's look closely at the flowers here. Alright, and this is the progeny, and definitely see a good resemblance in terms of the shape, and this is just much smaller compared to its parent here, right? Yeah, it's very nice. There's a little bit of mottling on the leaves on this one, but very faint. As you can see here, it's not so obvious. Yeah, there's like some mottling patterns on it, but very faint compared to its parent that is really mottled, right? Yeah. So that's nice. And of course, the Lucinieri is still in bloom. It's about to be fading now, pretty much, but still it's very fragrant, very very nice. There's a few more flowers on the top here. Hopefully it doesn't just goes on, continue blooming. It's very easy to bloom. This is the progeny of the neofinetia falcata, which I also have, but currently it's not blooming here. Of course, this is in bloom. This is the Dinema polybulbon species of cattleya, meaning cattleya, nature cattleya species. Alright. Take a look at one flower here. And this is how it grows. It's just kind of like rambling, just growing on this piece of wood, and it's just like grabbing on whatever. It's quite a quick grower. Just look closely at one of the flowers here. It's been blooming for a while now. Yeah, so there you go. That's my update on my blooms, and some of them are still in spike. This is the Renantera monochica, and it's spiking. Okay, and as you could see there, the spike is coming out from here, spiking, and this is the Phalaenopsis philippinensis, also a mottled leaf Phalaenopsis, and it's also in spike. Yeah, I'm so excited with that. Yeah, so there you go. Also, I have some buds on my dendrobium nobili types. As you can see there, they look dead, but they're dormant right now. And they're about to bloom, as you can see there, and also here. Alright, so thank you for watching this update. So I'm quite happy with the outcome this coming spring. So winter is almost over, so I guess that's why a lot of the flowers are blooming right now. Alright, happy growing, my orchid growers, orchid growing friends, and hope to see you soon.